guys, RT11 video, welcome back to another art video where today we're going to be making SpongeBob Squarepants. If you guys like this video, go pin up that like button as nicely as you can. Also, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell and you'll get notified for every new video that I upload. Also, if you have any suggestions for a new clay model I could do, like a SpongeBob related character or a different character, let me know down in the comments below. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. First, let's go over the things we need. I recommend you get these awesome set of magnetic tools. You're also going to need a roller, and here are the clay colors you will need. You will need yellow, brown, white, black, light blue, greenish yellow, I don't know the name of that color, blue, and red. And finally, you need to make this body structure I made out of foil. That way, you will save a lot of clay. First, we're going to make the body. For the body, grab yellow clay and you want to flatten it out. Once the clay is flattened, wrap it around your foil body. You should have this. By the way, you want to use the side of your finger and press up against the sides, just to make it look a bit spongy. Now we're gonna make the eyes. For the eyes, grab white clay, make two balls, make sure they are the exact same size, and you want to place them here. Once you've got that, you want to grab black clay and you want to do 6 small triangles, and you want to place 3 of them on top of each eye for the eyelashes. Once you have this, grab light blue clay. You want to make 2 balls, make sure they are the exact same size as each other, and you want to flatten them on the white. Then grab black clay and do the same thing, and you should end up with this. For the nose, you want to grab yellow clay, make a thick tube, you want to round one of the ends, and you want to place it on the middle of the body. For the mouth, grab red clay and you want to flatten it out. Once you've done that, you want to cut it in the shape, that way it looks like SpongeBob is smiling. Then you want to put the red here. For the cheeks, grab yellow clay, you want to make 2 balls, and you want to put them here. Make sure you smoothen them out. You should have this. For the teeth, grab white clay and you want to make 2 squares. Then you want to place the squares here. And you should have this. Then grab red clay, you want to make 6 tiny balls, and want to put 3 balls on each cheek for the freckles. You should have this. For the holes, grab greenish yellow, I still don't know the name of that color, and want to do this. Put a big hole on the top left corner, put a big hole on the top right corner, put a smaller hole underneath, put a big hole on the bottom right corner, put a smaller one underneath, put a small hole on the bottom left corner, put a big one underneath. Turn to the side and do this pattern. Put a big hole on the top, put a smaller hole underneath, and then put a bigger hole underneath. You want to do the same pattern on the other side. Now turn to the back and you want to do this pattern. It's going to be difficult for me to explain it, so I'll just show it. I'll give you a few seconds to study this pattern. Pause the video if necessary. You should have something that looks like this. Now we're going to make the pants. For the pants, grab brown clay and you want to make a rectangle. Then grab white clay. You want to roll out a very long strip, then wrap the strip around the middle. Make sure you flatten it and then flatten out more white clay and then wrap it from the top to the middle. You should have this. As you can see, it fits nicely on SpongeBob, so let's add the details. For the belt, grab black clay and you want to do 10 tiny rectangles. Put 4 on the front, and 4 on the back, and then put 1 on each side. Then grab white clay and you want to do 2 small triangles. Then you want to put them here. For the tie, grab red clay and you want to make a smaller triangle. Then place it between the 2 white triangles. Then grab more red clay and you want to make this crystal-like shape. And then you want to place it on the tip of the red triangle. It should look like this. Now we're going to make the shoes. For the shoes, grab black clay and you want to do this shape. Just like this. This part is optional. If you want to, you can grab white clay, make tiny balls and flatten them on the shoes, just to make the shoes reflective. For the socks, make 2 white tubes and you want to do this pattern on both of the socks. Grab blue clay, make a very thin strip and you want to wrap it around the top of the socks. Then grab red clay and do the same process again. And you want to put it beneath the blue. Then you want to make 2 yellow tubes, put them on top of the sock, and then you want to put the sock on the shoes. Then grab brown clay, you want to make a circle and you want to flatten out. Then you want to put them on the bottom of the pants like this. You should have this. For the arms, grab white clay, make a ball, and you want to do this shape, just like this. For now, you can put them on SpongeBob. Then, roll out 2 yellow tubes. For the hands, you want to make an upside down trapezoid. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to make small tubes, and you're going to round 1 the ends. Place 3 on the top, and place 1 on the side. Do it for the other hand, and you should have this. To attach everything together, break off toothpick pieces, place 1 inside the arm, and then attach the hand to it, and then attach it to the shoulder. Do the same thing with the other hand until it should look something like this. Then grab red clay, you want to roll out a very thin strip, and then you want to place it underneath the mouth for the lips. You should have this. And finally attach SpongeBob's head to his pants. And look at that, you are done. Let's see the final result. And that was a tutorial on how to make SpongeBob Squarepants. So if you guys like this video, go paint up that like button as nicely as you can. Also, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell and you'll get notified for every new video that I upload. Also, if you have any suggestions for a new clay model I could do, type in the comments below. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, artsy!